Hello everybody, welcome to Little Fine Art. If you're new, hey, my name's Emily, I am the Fine Art Medium, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video, I'm just going to do something slightly different. I mean, it's not too different because, Lido Fine Art, we talk about art here sometimes. And I'm trying to bring more art into this to make it more even, and my goal in the long run is to be able to post 2 videos each week, one on the art side and one on the paranormal side. Right now it's kind of difficult to do that, but I want to start doing that, and so here and there I'm going to have both subjects in a week, so it'll be 2 videos sometimes during the week. But yeah, so today I just really wanted to talk about Canva. Now, I like to share all my resources, whether I'm creating art or doing something businessy, something, I think it would be cool just to share stuff that'll help, you build whatever you want. So you don't have to Google and watch endless videos to figure out what you need to use to do whatever it is that you want. So Canva, I am not sponsored by the way, just want to throw that out there, not at all. I'm just obsessed with them, so I thought it would be fun to just share with you something that I use quite often. So if you don't know what Canva is, it's literally a template website where you can pretty much make whatever the hell you want. So far I've used it for a mock book cover. I've used it to make my business logos. I've used this to make thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and I literally just got done making an intro screen for my videos. Now, if you're not here for like YouTube or social media, you can use this for other stuff like websites, invitations, resumes. I made a resume with this last week and it looks spiffy. It's awesome. And you can do a lot of stuff, like even t-shirts, but I'm probably never going to use that for t-shirts or mugs or, printing on demand stuff, except for like paper products, I guess. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what I have right now I created. So here's the outro that I made just now. And the cool thing about this is, again, they have templates for that. I noticed there weren't many templates for this, and I just used the 1 or 2 they had, and all I did was switch up like the font sizing and what it says, and I put my own picture in the background, and I picked my own song to go with it, and I picked the time because it lets you do that, and then here's a brief, look at it. It's kind of freaking lit. I'm obsessed. Alright, so one thing I noticed too when doing this is that you can't fade the music in or out, which, it sucks. However, all I did was just put it in my video editor and then just faded the sound out and then just re-uploaded it. It was like a 5-second fix, not even. Easy to do. So I'm noticing I have so many freaking tabs open. I'm gonna close some of them. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my screen here. My designs. Ignore all this stuff. I share this account with my boyfriend and he's doing some stuff. I'm gonna just move this into the trash real quick. What he was trying to do. 'Tis the season. What? Yeah. a lot of blank stuff. I don't know, I don't like that. Alright, so yeah, I made my YouTube thumbnail for my last video, and they give you royalty-free, what do you call it, photos that you can use, but again, you have to pay to use some of them, which I did, but it's only like a monthly fee of $12.99, so I was like, fuck it, I can use this for a bunch of shit. So yeah, there's that. There's my awesome resume. It looks clean, it looks professional. I use the same city background because, I don't know, I'm proud of that design in me. And yeah, I'm not gonna blow it up though because I don't want people to see personal information. Here's my mock book cover. Yeah. I just love it so much. You can even make Instagram stories if you want. I'm not big too much on Instagram, but maybe one day I'll use it. YouTube intros. I never even thought about making an intro, but hey, whatever. Alright, so yeah. I'm just gonna click on one of these. I don't know, what's something that people have to do a lot? I don't know. A flyer for work or whatever. I don't know. So here are all the templates. Oh, these are kind of cool, not gonna lie. Okay. Yeah. You just pick one, put in your own photos. If you're an illustrator, you can be as creative as you want, pretty much. You can just draw your own stuff. They do have like their own pictures again, so you could just use their stuff. But I don't ever like to chance using something that someone else did, so that's why I like to do my own thing. So yeah, there's that. And then they have this features tab, so you can make your own icons too, and it's awesome. I haven't used that yet either, but and they also show you like little I don't even know what you would call it. It's like instructions on how to do things. I wonder if it's
Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to Canva Design School. In this series, we're going to...
There we go, Canva Design School. You can learn everything from this video here, which I'm not going to do. We don't need to sit here. Plus, it's probably copyrighted. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, that's Canva. You can use it for pretty much anything. And I kind of wish they would sponsor me, but again, I don't have many subscribers, so they would probably not be able to gain anything from me. So yeah, this is just a quick look at Canva. If you have any thoughts, questions, concerns, please leave them down below. And I will see you soon. Peace out.